When you think of winter, what comes to mind? Maybe biting winds and endless gray skies. Well, I want to take you somewhere that completely flips that idea on its head. Welcome to Finland, where winter isn't just a season, it's a magical state of mind. As the days grow shorter, a quiet hush falls over the land. The air turns crisp, thousands of lakes begin to shimmer with the first layer of ice, and the entire country prepares for a breathtaking transformation. It's a time of cozy preparation. All across Finland, you'll see firewood being stacked high, ready to fuel the hearths that keep homes toasty and warm. The iconic Finnish saunas are fired up, offering a steamy escape from the cold. It's a ritual that brings families and friends together, a cornerstone of Finnish culture. And of course, everyone switches to snow tires because life doesn't stop for the snow, it adapts. This isn't about enduring the darkness. It's about finding light and warmth within it. Imagine a wooden cabin, its windows glowing with a soft, inviting light, surrounded by a pristine blanket of snow. This is the heart of the Finnish winter experience. But it's not all about staying indoors. Finns embrace the cold with incredible passion. They head out for cross-country skiing through silent, snow-laden forests, feel the thrill of a husky sled ride as powerful dogs pull them across frozen landscapes, and some even take the plunge with invigorating ice swimming. It's an adventure that awakens the senses. And then there's the sky. On clear, cold nights, far from the city lights, the heavens put on the most spectacular show on Earth, the aurora borealis. Ribbons of green, pink, and purple light dance and swirl across the darkness, a truly unforgettable sight that feels like pure magic. In Finland, winter reveals a different kind of beauty, one of stillness, resilience, and profound togetherness. It teaches us that even in the coldest, darkest months, there is immense joy and wonder to be found. So, as the snow gently falls, blanketing forests and cities in a serene white coat, Finland sends a powerful message to the world. Winter isn't something to dread or simply get through. It's a season to be celebrated, embraced, and cherished for its unique and quiet beauty. It's a time for connection, adventure, and finding warmth in the chilliest of moments. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to a Finnish winter wonderland. If you enjoyed this little escape, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. See you next time.